In this video, I'll solve an exponential equation by logging both sides. It doesn't matter what version of log I take, but I'll make my life easier if I pick one of the bases to log. So I'll pick base 4 and I'll log both sides base 4. The reason I do that is it saves me a bit of steps later on the left hand side. On the right hand side I've just taken the log 4 of base 5, but on the left hand side log 4 base 4 will just bring down that 2x according to our log rules. And so I get 2x equals log 4 5 2x minus 1. Another one of our log rules is an exponent can become a coefficient. So I'll put that 2x minus 1 in brackets in front, and it's a coefficient of log 4 5. Now I want to solve this, but before I do, I have to be careful. This 2x minus 1 times log 4 of 5 came from the exponent, but I need to rainbow here. This is 2x times log 4 5 minus 1, or just minus log 4 of 5. I'm going to move this whole item over to the other side, and when I do that I'll get 2x minus 2x times log 4 5 equals negative log 4 of 5. And now that I'm there, I can factor out 2x on this left hand side, pull a 2x out in front, and I get 1 minus log 4 5. That's just the result of factoring. Take a 2x, divide it out of 2x, you're left with 1, and divide this second term by 2x, you're just left with the log 4 5 and the minus in front. I'm almost there. One last thing to do, I should say there's a couple more things to do, but one last thing to do by hand is divide by what's messing with x. I'll do it in two steps. I'll start with this 1 minus log 4 5. Let's put it in brackets just to be sure. If I divide on one side though, I got to divide on the other side. Almost. Just not quite, because I'm left with x equals, but there's still a 2 over here. Let's write that 2x equals negative log 4 5 all over 1 minus log 4 5. So what's left? Just to divide both sides by 2. And when you do that, you just put a 2 on the denominator on the left and on the denominator on the right. And so x equals. And now I'm going to try and calculate that all at once. Maybe that'll be too hard for some of us to follow. So let's do it in pieces then. Negative, and what's log 4 5? That's negative log 5 divided by log 4 all over 2 times 1 minus log 5 over log 4. Alright, so x equals log 5 divided by log 4, and I better put a rounding die as I'm about to round. I get approximately negative, that's from this negative, 1.1609. I'm going to keep more decimals in the middle than I will at the end. I plan to round to 3 decimals, so I'm keeping 6 around for now. And on the bottom, I want to go 1 take away, and I'm going to put this in brackets. I'm going to take away log 5 divided by log 4, close the brackets, see what I get, and times it by 2. And so I get negative 0.321928. Okay, last move, I'm going to round here as well. Negative 1.160964 divided by negative. I didn't need to put those negatives because I know it's going to be positive. A negative divided by a negative is a positive. Nonetheless, there's my answer. I'll round to 3 decimals. X is approximately 3.606.